Hello my friends, you're on ATSA channel. In this video we are going to speak about Redmi. You will learn how to disable power button on Redmi. Let's go. Open settings and scroll down. Find additional settings and open it. Tap here. Gesture shortcuts. If you want to disable power button, tap here. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.